Hello everyone, and I wish you a nice Christmas time. I have a little gift for you today, an upgrade of my standalone software Batch Normalize, which now comes with these 3 buttons, which I will introduce to you very soon. It is a utility software that you can use to normalize audio that has already been exported, just in case that your DAW doesn't have certain capabilities that you would like to see. I did that because in Bitwig, when you export audio, you have no single feature that just normalizes audio, and I wanted to have multiple ones. So yeah, I just made a utility software for that. Now I will demonstrate what you can do with this software on the example of this beat. Now, as you can see in the oscilloscope, sometimes the peaks go to 0 decibel. And usually when you make music, you don't let that happen, but you turn down the volume so that it will definitely not reach 0 decibel. Now you have a safe distance to 0 decibels, which is called headroom, and you can export the audio, right? But let's say you don't want to export everything all together, but you want to export every single stem individually because maybe someone wants to remix it or something. So each track being exported by itself, I will do that now. And I will export to Flac with 24-bit, and everything else I will keep the way it is. New folder, call it stems. And I will also export the full beat. And now I can close the door. Now, before going on, I will show you the default behavior that my software had before I made this update. In order to do so, you have to select grouped and new folder and wave. And now if you take all of these stems except for the full beat one and drag them on here, it says the following thing, which is processing 6 songs, destination this folder, then it loads all of these songs and it calculates which is the highest peak of the songs, and then it will gain all of the songs in a way that the highest peak at all of the songs together is at -1 decibel, so that there is a little bit of space for intersample peaks or something, but like it has the maximum loudness that it can have, and that makes it very nice for sending it to other people online. As you can see, it calculated that it had to add 6.12 something decibel gain to all of these tracks in order to do that, and then it saved all of these tracks as WAV files into the new folder, and they are here. Now they should be louder than these tracks. Versus. Yeah, clearly 6 decibels louder. Now this is the default behavior, but I was very unhappy with that after a while. So first of all, let's do that again, but this time we select Flac, because Flacs are just smaller than WAV files. So when I drag it here now, then it does the same thing, makes the same calculation, but instead it makes Flac files, so that you don't have to convert the resulting files with a different program every time just to get them a little bit smaller, because Flac just has a smaller file size, but like the same audio quality, so why would you use WAV, right? So that is the first feature that I added. The second feature that I added is that you can also select it to be unique, which makes the processing work a little bit different. So let's see, boom. Now you can see that the whole interface kind of looks a little bit different. Processing 6 songs from there, destination there, so still making a new folder because that was selected, but now unique normalize, which means that for each track that is loaded, it calculates how much it should gain to get it to be at -1 decibels. So now if you put these stems back into your project, they will not be gain staged fine to each other anymore, but this is a better mode that you can use if you want to prepare like a sample pack or something, because when people want to import a sound, even if in your project it was meant to be a quiet sound, it might not be the same for other people. So this one was a quiet sound in my beat, but now it is as loud as it can be, which can be nice for a sample pack, right? So that's why I added this mode unique. And now to the last feature that I added here, which is replace instead of new folder. So now I can just go ahead and say all of these tracks, they should all be as loud as they can be, and they should replace the files that they already have. boom. And now it did that, and these files are just not the same files as before anymore, but the ones that are as loud as they can be. And yeah, that is my little gift for you for the Christmas time. Go to my GitHub page where it says batch normalize, and then go to the release section, and there is, well, the release, and you can download it and like put it somewhere and then make a little icon here for your start menu, so you can always access my little utility application if you want to.